Today we're looking at a 2005 BMW X5. We're going to reset the oil service interval inspection right down here. This will apply to many other BMWs with this same cluster setup. First thing you need to do is hold this down and turn your key to position 1. Keep it held down. When it says reset, you want to let go and hold it down again.
And this thread sealant, this is more like a paste type material. Also cures through anaerobic rate.
Now that resetting is flashing,
Instead of just
go ahead and just press it once and you see it reset. And that's all there is to it. And when you turn it and the key off, turn it to position 2, and you'll see that all these lights should be green now. These last 2 lights shouldn't be lit up, and as your oil wears out, it'll go down these lights here. Also, don't go this long between your oil changes, because you can see that was almost 5,000 over, and when you do that, this is what your filter looks like. All deformed, all messed up. The engine was trying so hard to suck oil through this thing. It's ridiculous. It's practically crushing the filter. Do not go this far between your oil change. This is terrible and extremely bad for your engine. Change your oil on time. If your oil service comes on every 10K, like some of the newer cars, or 15, some of them, I would definitely not go by that and change it every 75. Thanks for watching.